Welcome to SS2 Accounting Revision. Today we do a comprehensive review of all the major topics covered in SS2 Accounting across all three terms. This lesson is designed to help you consolidate your knowledge and identify areas to strengthen before the mock WAEC examination. Accounting is a practical subject. Revision means practicing questions, not just reading notes. Term 1 covered partnership accounts. Key points to remember. Partnership defined, 2 to 20 persons, banks, 2 to 10, carrying on business together for profit. Deed of partnership, profit sharing ratio, salaries, interest on capital, interest on drawings. Appropriation account, distributes profit, salaries and interest on capital, credit partners, interest on drawings, debit partners, residual profit split by PSR. Capital accounts, fixed method, changes only for introduction/withdrawals, current method, or appropriations through current account. Admission of new partner, revalue assets, create goodwill if necessary, share goodwill adjustment among old partners in old PSR. Retirement, revalue, pay off retiring partner, cash, loan, or installments. Dissolution, sell assets, pay liabilities, apply Ghana v. Murray for capital deficiency. Manufacturing accounts, key structure. Manufacturing account equals prime cost plus factory overhead equals cost of production. Prime cost equals direct materials plus direct labor plus direct expenses. Factory overhead, indirect materials, indirect labor, factory rent, depreciation of factory equipment. Cost of goods sold, trading account. Opening WIP plus cost of production minus closing WIP equals cost of goods manufactured. Then, opening finished goods plus cost manufactured minus closing finished goods equals cost of goods sold. Company accounts, key points. Limited company, separate legal entity, limited liability, governed by 2020. Share capital, authorized issued called up paid up. Ordinary shares, variable dividend, voting rights, last in liquidation. Preference shares, fixed % dividend first, no voting, types, cumulative, non-cumulative, redeemable. Share premium, excess of issue price over nominal value capital reserve. Debentures, long-term borrowing, fixed interest equals expense in P&L, not equity. Income statement, revenue GP operating profit finance cost PBT tax PAT appropriations. Capital reserves, share premium, revaluation cannot distribute as dividends. Revenue reserves, retained earnings, general reserve can distribute. Financial analysis, key ratios. Liquidity. Current ratio equals CA divided by CL, ideal 2 to 1. Quick ratio equals CA minus stock divided by CL, ideal 1 to 1. Profitability. GPM equals GP divided by revenue times 100. NPM equals NP divided by revenue times 100. ROS equals operating profit divided by capital employed times 100. Cash flow, a direct method. Cash from customers equals revenue plus opening debtors minus closing debtors. 3 sections, operating, investing, financing. Net change in cash plus opening cash equals closing cash. Interpretation method, compute compare comment recommend. Government accounting and auditing, key points. Government accounting. Basis, cash basis, transitioning to IPSAS, accruals. CRF, all government revenues, withdrawals need Appropriation Act. Federation account, FAC shares monthly, FGN 53%, states 27%, LGAs 21%. TSA, Treasury single account at CBN, 2015. Key officers, Accountant General, accounts, Auditor General, audit, PAM SEC, ministry spending. Auditing. Internal audit, employees, reports to management, not independent. External audit, independent CAs, reports to shareholders, required by true and fair view. Government audit, Auditor General, reports to legislature. Forensic audit, investigates fraud, used as court evidence. VFM audit, economy, efficiency, effectiveness, 3Es. Internal controls. Preventive, detective, corrective. Segregation of duties, most important principle. Cash controls, inventory controls. Limitations, collusion, management override, cost. WAEC accounting examination strategy. Paper 1, objective, 50 MCQ 1 hour, no definitions, formulas, account classifications. Paper 2, essay plus structured questions 3 hours, attempt all compulsory questions first. In partnership or company manufacturing questions, always show workings clearly, marks are given for correct method even if final answer is wrong. Ratio questions, state formula first, then substitute, then interpret. For interpretation, compute, compare, comment, recommend, action. Practice past questions from 2015 to date, WAEC repeats patterns. Revision summary, SS2 accounting. Partnership, appropriation, capital/current accounts, admission, retirement, dissolution. Manufacturing, prime cost plus overhead equals cost of production, WIP adjustments. Company accounts, shares, debentures, income statement, reserves. Ratios, liquidity, current, quick, profitability, GPM, NPM, ROS, cash flow. Government accounting, CRF, FAC, TSA, IPSAS, key officers. Auditing, internal, external, forensic, VFM, audit report opinions. Internal controls, preventive/detective/corrective, segregation of duties. Exam tip, show all workings, state all formulas, interpret every ratio.